M0FXB, welcome back. You've taken your RT3S out of the box, which we've got here, VHF, UHF, DMR radio, or it could be a TYT, MD, UV380, 390, and you just literally don't know what to do. So let me just show you out of the box what you could do. This is my hotspot that's transmitting a DMR signal to anyone that's on the right frequency, and also in the distance I've got my analog node transmitting as well. So at the moment it's in analog mode, so just take a note here, it says V. When you're in what they call VFO mode, you can type a frequency. How do we get into V? Just hold the red button. So if you hold it, like so, it said 1 there. That means we're on channel number 1, okay? Notice that it's gone to digital mode. It now shows a D. If you want to go up and down to the main and the sub band, just press the up and down arrows. And when you're in this, if you briefly press the red, you can mute one of them. Look, it's muted the sub band, let's call it. And GPS isn't locked, but GPS is turned on. It's trying to find GPS now. So let's listen to the analog one first. So we'll go back to VFO mode, hold down the red, and we're just going to type in our analog frequency. So we just go 4345500. That's analog. If someone's transmitting on that frequency, we will hear them.
Mike 3 Golf Charlie Alpha.
There's someone there.
My system's working. I've been having a little trouble. It seems to be coming up okay at the moment. From M3 GCA. Alan Nisha.
If that was a repeater frequency, you would just put in 145,600. So someone's speaking there. So 145,600. Okay, and you can actually change the frequency by just moving the middle knob. See that? It's changing the frequency. So we're now listening to, go there, 145,600 to GB3WR. If we want to set all the parameters, just go menu, down to utilities, down to program radio, and then go through this list. So the receive at the moment is, if we go confirm, 145,600. Go back with the red button, down one, transmit frequency. We need 1, so go confirm, and then start to delete with the up arrow. And we need 0000, confirm. That's our input frequency for our repeater. If we go down to CTCSS, confirm. Down to transmit CTCSS, confirm. Go up and down, and on that repeater it's 94.8. Confirm. And there is a timeout as well. Let's see if we can get there. There is a timeout timer. Go up 1 to number 3. And let's increase it by going with the arrows to 180 seconds. Confirm. So we can speak for, is it 3 minutes? So we go all the way back. We're now going to be able to transmit on GB3WR. Just go M0FXB, calling for a contact. And we're inside the shack, so unlikely we're going to receive that from my shack. But anyway, that's the analog way, the quick analog way of how to, talk and receive, transmit to someone when you've just took the RT3S out of the box without using software. Remember, you can't use this radio on DMR until you've entered your DMR number, and that has to be done via software with a programming cable that is supplied with the radio, which pretty much looks like this. Plugs into the twin pins on the top right here. Go down, you've got the twin pins there, and that's where that cable plugs into your PC. So now let's try and listen to my hotspot. So at the moment we can't hear my hotspot. If we put in the frequency of my hotspot, 431550, 431,550. It's there, but we can't decipher it because it's receiving it in well, it's receiving digital, but it's in analog mode. We need to get it into digital mode. To do that, we're going to have to switch back to channel mode. So hold down till it says a channel at the top. Do that again. Okay, it just said number 1 there. In 1, you can't type a frequency. You can only type a channel number, up and down, okay? If we go back. So what we're going to have to do is go to menu, then go down to, or up to utilities, green button, confirm, and then down to program radio, confirm. And now we can start to type the frequency. So if we go confirm, we go 4, we have to go confirm again, 431, delete with the up arrow, confirm. That's receive. Then we'll go down to the TX, confirm again, 4, confirm. We should start to hear it soon. Confirm. There you are. So we can now hear it. We can't talk to anyone, but we can receive.
So I'm really sorry for that. And actually, I'm listening and learning also. And,
that's the DMR number.
Over to you.
When you join DMR with your ham radio license, every person is given a DMR number. Mine is 237414.
Okay, Roger, Victor Uniform 2, Yankee Oscar Romeo.
See all the,
I was just asking what the weather was like.
Eventually, when you program and add what they call a CSV file into the radio, all these call signs here and locations that we're seeing on my hotspot will show on the screen. With a radio like the Retevis RT3S, it won't hold the whole database. I think it holds about 150,000. I'd have to check the exact amount, but it's not enough. With the newer modern radios, they do hold 200 or 250,000, which is enough. But you can pick and choose what the countries that you do want to listen to or see that information on. So really that's it. But otherwise, GPS wise, you need a lock. We've not got a lock at the moment. It's a VHF and UHF radio. Sounds great. You can change channels and frequencies just turning the middle knob. We've got an LED there, PTT here, programmable buttons as well, as you can see. That's what they call a monitor. You just hold it down, it's telling you exactly what the radio is doing, which is pretty cool, I think. I think we can zoom that in a bit better. So there are lots and lots of videos learning this radio. What about the screen frames per second? But I think we'll leave it there. In monitor mode, I do like that, you know. Contact 91.
Well, 73 is good luck to you.
Color code 1. You've got your DMR number. So that's it. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Bye for now.